this video, we are going to learn some differences between computer-aided design or CAD and conventional drawing by understanding CAD advantages and its components. There are two ways to look at the files that are created in AUTOCAD. One is to look at them as drawing. The other is to look at them as data. Both cases are true, but both have their places. Most files we look at in this tutorial will be drawing files. We also look at data files. Don't assume that data is just a list of names and numbers. Anything needed for design purpose is data. The lines we create is data. The points we inserted defines our data. Images we attach, and especially aerial photograph are all forms of data used in our design process. Data can be gotten from many different sources. It is important to know what it is and how you need to use it.